Just a quick review for this awesome bar serving set. This thing's pretty cool. It kind of surprised me. I didn't really expect to see this, but my favorite part about this whole bar set is actually this part here. This is for margaritas. This lid slides open. It can be removed too. It just pops off. These spin out, and you've got salt and a sugar. So you've got both of them ready to go into put either salt or sugar on the rims for margarita glass. That's pretty cool. It opens up all the way so you kind of have enough space to dunk those glasses in like that. And it's also strong enough that when you go to push the glass on this, it's not going to tip over on any one of these. So it's super cool. This is something I didn't expect. I just bought it because it was a bar set, and there it was. Basically has everything you need to get started. This is the 6-compartment one. There's 6 different compartments for your garnishes here. It comes with the napkin tray. That's also a straw holder. Another compartment here if you had a different size straw or whatever you wanted to put in there. It's got your 2 mixer containers. These are pretty standard. They have a threaded top on them. They're pretty good size, easy to clean. In this particular set, the 6-compartment set, came with 3 smaller tongs for garnishes. And it also came with 12 of these bottle top drink pours. They've got also the little plastic toppers that keep the alcohol from evaporating as well. Great little set. Again, there's a couple different variations of it. There's a 4-compartment set and a 5-compartment set if you don't need the full 6, but these are awesome. It's got everything you need to set up a bar for a party or an event. It's great.